Hello everyone, my name is Ala Al-Kureji. I'm a USF student. I'm going to study early childhood education. I'm planning to be a kindergarten teacher or a special education teacher. Here's my website. Here's my homepage. It has my name and it has lots of information about myself, my picture here, and you can find some information about me here. And here's some pictures for some activities that I did with my student on my placements. And here's the some ways how to contact me. You can find on my website the homepage, my works, and the about me page and the gallery page and contact page. If we go to my work page, you can find some activities that I did with my student when I was doing placement. Here's one of my favorite activities that I did with a toddler student, and here's some activities that I did with my first grade student. Also, when we go to about me page, you can know a lot of information about me, my education, my experience, some information about me and my family, and my favorite activities as well. And here's the gallery that I have some photos for me and my family as well. And the contact page, you can contact me, send me your name, email, and your comments. You can say ask me any question. You can send me any comment, and I will really appreciate all emails I receive. Thank you.